We're marching down the street with branches of trees, expressing our grievances. Everybody knows that green is for peace, calling the government to address our needs.
Yeah, good evening, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. Welcome to another edition of Setting the Record Straight. But today it is about the battle between Ambazonia and La Republic in the Bamenda. I want say make we talk this one for say make we set this record straight for the people for inside Ambazonia, because the revolution it don't dey for level where we the people for diaspora will know the understand which way they happen, we dey leave our people back for ground zero, make they suffer. I will start this with this press release the way it come out for Yaoundé, where La République they don't declare say they know their police them, they don't fear. I go read them how it come. Say Jembonje Abed, I believe all we will know who be Jembonje Abed when a journalist na CRTV journalist will work for La République for Yaoundé. They read them for their news today for 7 p.m. I mean for 7 a.m. for morning time. Say the police in Bamenda have officially gone on strike against civilians this Thursday, September 3rd, 2020 in Bamenda, following repeated attacks on police by terrorists hiding among the civilian population. Presenting the news this morning, J. Bonde Albert reports that policemen are afraid of the civilians, and that civilians have increased their attacks on the police. Police are afraid to wear uniforms in Bamenda. They are afraid to walk on the streets. All civilians are now fighters, and we cannot distinguish them from terrorists. James Monde Albert reports. My people, this one for sure we Ambazonians they say La République, the war it don't pass them. The war it don't totally pass them. They don't decide for turn for start attack with civilians them. This message now for make us say make we will not say what civilian them they not be safe again. La République they clearly declare for we Ambazonian they say enough was civilian them na terrorists. They don't turn Amba fighter them. We call this battle say with guerrilla warfare. Guerrilla warfare, that means they know who be a guerrilla fighter. You surprise them, you hit them at any time, any moment, any second. So as what gallant soldiers, they were gallant restoration forces, the one they would call Amber Boys, they don't decide to take over the town of Bamenda. They decide to attack them unexpectedly. They don't give them that panic. They don't put them for that fear. Now they don't turn. They want to declare for the well. Say all man for Bamenda Nana Amber soldier. Now what do they want to do? They don't shut down Bamenda since Tuesday. We know say Mondays now we official country Sunday. That means since Tuesday till today Thursday where they do this presentation, Bamenda is shut down. Now, military don't take total control. That is a victory for Ambazonia. Now, total victory for we, the people of Ambazonia, say we don't make them. La République is under total confusion. Total confusion. Yes. Now, they report this way, Jembo, they jam today for CRTV, Yaoundé. Say, police, they don't go for strike. They don't wear uniform again. And at the highest time this way will go for day at a lot. What gallant soldiers, the restoration force, our great Amber boys, when I read this news, I did very satisfied, very happy. When we see Amber boys worry, fire me, I fire you. Amber boys worry, shoot me, I shoot you. Our boys then worry. They don't decide. Now they don't master the game. They don't master the system. They don't master what be the Amber revolution. Now why that way now? They do it where they call it guerrilla warfare. When they come out the act, they disappear. As they act, they disappear. Now so boys they now don't decide what they do. They don't master the game. They don't master what to be the war of independence. No, but that's where they just come out all time. They stand for road. Say where they know they now. Where they know they now. Now, pop, they boom. Which we call it vanish. As they come out, pop, they vanish. We don't fear them again. We use now tactics, and give them the nonsense. They don't fear. Now this. Now they make the announcement. They fear now because they don't know who be who. I will get for be very vigilant. Was civilian they now they get for be very vigilant. Very vigilant. We want back was civilian the commander. Say we know, say it no easy. We understand, say it no easy. We know say this war we fight has a lot of sacrifice. And we thank Una for the great sacrifice. Una the sacrifice for this battle. They say when Bamenda man talk, Yaoundé, the cash go, Una the talk with the year. Una the talk, Yaoundé NATO, go don't catch them. Go, you don't hold them. We know they them. They don't feel breathe. Una don't need them so on top of their knee, on top of their neck. Una need it for their neck. We know they. Kudos for Bamenda. Kudos for the Abakwa boys. Una they do the job where Una supposed to do for freedom. Una they pay the price for freedom. We thank Una for this great job where Una they do. We know say no be easy job. We know say the sacrifice is not easy. But may Una be vigilant. We go give this advice for people for Bamenda. Before Una want come out, before people for Bamenda want come out for house now, make all man who national ID. You know, it's not La Republic ID, but Una hold them for Una pocket. Make them no more less Una. Hold your national ID card, make it there for your pocket. National ID before you want to come out for us. Now advice for all man because they don't talk for this community. They want on all civilian for Amber. They want on all civilian for Amber fighter. Amber fighter no they live inside civilian. They get their barracks them. They get their camp them. When I live for civilians alone, La Republique. When I leave people may they go open their businesses alone, La Republique. When I leave people, make them go do their jobs. When I leave people, make them go open their markets. When I leave people, make they carry out their daily activities. When I want staff for people to death, but it no go work. It no go work. Enough is enough. La Republique must bow. La Republique get for bow. Enough is enough. Before I want to go for the next thing, we'll go for talk. We watch some video where we people them, they see La Republique military, they run, wow, they enter the Isa house. All man, he buy a position. That way, what Amber boy them, they come out, they put military for them. They put 4, one time for Bamenda, they enter back for their hideout, for their camp name. La Republique military come out. It throw away people their camp. I want make TV station Ghana for put with that video with that military. It throw away people their cap for Bamenda. Military, it may wanna see this job. So what they go say na Amber. They say na Amber soldier that they throw people that chop. Now it is no watch.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Where, oh Father. Like seriously?
Una see
Where Papa got it?
una see the papa. Una look that papa before analyze him. Una look papa, una listen.
I don't know. We don't give container. It is so for commander. We shoot in that side, so we don't give container. It won't be. You see, I see the quarter container. It won't piece like this inside, so really. Even the other auntie say one piece. You piece how? Better for passing, passing piece in a container. The auntie will piece how? We know day. You know easy. So I'm party bake some who have me who go piece. We go piece with skin. Where pa? Ashapa.
Yes, La République not the highest terrorist for this world. When this thing that happen, again, one question we me I want ask. When this thing they happen, again, one question we me I want ask. I want ask Ambazonian for diaspora, this diasporan power hungry diaspora them, surrogate them, power monger them. People where they don't know say will fight in a freedom war. I want ask when I say that person, whether na mami, na pa, or na young ikako, where they go through way that business kako, life, because now for they use, he pay picking their school fee, he pay house, he pay light, he buy water. That person where they go through way ikako, business kako, wow, for down so. I want ask question for we, these diaspora people. I want ask una question say that person na IG, that person na ADF, that person na Sako Splinter Group, that person na Bo Hebert for Morix, that person na Akwanga for APLM, or that person na Ambazonian. Now question when me ask, well, diaspora will remain for back their own. If not be CIC Ayaba Cho, if not be CIC Dr. Ayaba Cho, no Ambazonia. So one day, Sakoti will reach Boya, Sakoti will reach Boya. Una the fight na freedom fight, or una the fight na fight for some man to be leader for the revolution. This we personally kako with the throw away so. Na group. Na Ambazonia group kako una answer me. Na Ambazonia group kako this year na I go awa. Na IG kako na Ego C kako na Sako Splinter Group ikako diaspora. If we not stop this nonsense, what we not do, make we fight for the freedom of Ambazonia. I beg, we not play that one with that papa the suffer. It the court container so for go peace. That papa, where it the court container so. This papa where the court container so. This papa he know Sako. This papa he know IG. This papa he know Ego C for Ayabacho. This papa know Yina say Ambazonia freedom. The papa di suffer so he know anything. Papa know you say they fight for freedom for Ambazo. Yeah. Why would I not stop this politics? Where would I do for diaspora? Diaspora will not stop diaspora politics. May we free homeland. When I not go stop, may we free these people. See that mommy the way we hide for on the table because of the trauma. Well, la Republic give them. See, una see what people. Make una really look what people, Ambazonia and they make una look what people. See suffer. Where what people they suffer. Diaspora. Una look suffer where what people they suffer. Una tell me why would he fight this fight? Thank una, the people of Bamenda. Thank una, we gallant soldiers, Amber Restoration Forces. Whether na AGFO, whether na IGO, whether na who do the job, na good job. We clap hand for the soldiers when they do the job. Whether na who do them, we know they here for support group, we know they for group again. We want freedom. 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 Now wait we the people of Ambazonia will fight for. We know the fight for group. We know one made the hail some man with the one hailing of the restoration soldiers, restoration forces on ground zero. Kudos for una. Fighters on ground zero. Kudos for una. Now una they do the job. Diaspora is a disgrace. Disgrace to diaspora. Politicians in the face of a revolution. Job one happen. They don't go she don't put for Facebook. Now we see I see Ayabacho na egg of C do na egg of C na egg of C key military. Yes, na egg of C key. This papa where they suffer for peace so he no egg of C. This papa where they suffer for peace he no egg of C. Now question where me I dey ask. That mami kako where they throw am for that place so he no egg of C. You ask him go tell you say he fight na freedom. Now this play this one too. Make us she don't quiet. Muna shares our war people is suffer. Begin the cry. I want she don't quiet for the one.
Number. Come on. Number. Come on.
Una the siam. I beg, post this video. Let me talk. Una the siam. See small picking. This picking them. They grow with which mentality? The Republic terrorists. They terrorize them. They terrorize them. See small picking, mami they carry up for hand, they work, they suffer with them, they run with them, bullet, for their head. What we for diaspora would they do? Na IG, na our own work that, na IG, TV I beg mute, na IG. Now we that, na egg of C, na egg of C. Now our own work that. Now we that so for the for diaspora. Now all that so diaspora no. See suffer for we people. Una see suffer for we people. How much would it contribute? Surrogates, una stop this surrogacy. If you call yourself activists. You come on, you clap hand. ADF, IG. You are a useless person for the revolution. You need to fight for freedom. You need to fight now for freedom. Not be freedom you fight for. If you fight for freedom, you will feel the pains. See, people they cook chop for kitchen. Play this one again. I want this. Now the worst one this. Even inside kitchen, they sleep now for down. Because they fear bullets. Gazero na Asia.
Let's go back. Don't go back. Fight. They say go back. Just go back. Let me hear. Oh no. But if he goes out, Taking the date one, they didn't hear one.
The police, they say come, he only come.
Commissioner is very busy. Commissioner is very busy.
No, but the police, it is going to where?
With the favorite.
Make international community. Make international community, make it watch this video. See the way where they take Okada man, they beat him for no nothing. La Republic terrorism, they beat him for no nothing. Then they make pretend. They carry the people that when they take their hand for upso. When I know how they control them go down. That people when they take their hand for upso, the march for line. They control them go put her for police station for GMI. For Jamie for hospital roundabout. Then the video I'm talking na Ambazonia. Na Ambazonia he terrorized them. Play that video for that people where they put the hand like this. Now then this. Now then this so for Jamie. Like that. Una listen Siam. Hear what way they talk. Terrorism.
This kind of ballot business. Even shit you do the power I go shit to inside the container. I don't know. We don't give container. If it's so for commercial we shoot.
Menacé par les séparatifs. Bien aussi, boss. Par les séparatifs. Les solistes ont attaqué aujourd'hui à 13h. Ils ont tenté de menacer la population. La population. Oui. Bien reçu, patron. Oui. Les papas, les mamans sont menacés. Les enfants.
Les papas, les mamans sont menacés. Satan them, they did so. La République. They go throw money kako, throw my doti, throw my business kako, throw him. Go Okada man, beat him, lash ye all side. They make them now. They carry hand for up. You know as the way they be carry wa papa them for slavery, for time for slavery in the 1880s for slavery time. Now so they be carry them. Now so what people carry hand for up. They go put them for Jamie. For make video for show people say that Ambazonia we know the molest our people, we the protect our civilians. We work na protection. We there na for protect our people. When what soldier they get target, military tak. They put up that rack, they enter back to their camp. Now they work that. See them. What people they carry they go put up for Jamie, make fake video. We are not fool we again. They well in hand, not that. See, as now so they control them. Now Jamie this, I know this area. Now area this for enter for Jamie. Now so they control them. Now so they control them. They put them for Jamie. Now what that way La Republic do? He control them, put up for Jamie. He make video now. He start talk say say na amba them, they demolish. We now go full now only that we now foolish La Republic people where they no fit fight for their rights. They get pressed away, don't make 39 years for power. 39 years for power, they no fit start fight for their rights. We now go full now only them, not be we Ambazonia people. From Boya to Kumba, to Mampe, to Iliwindi, to Boyo, all side. We know say now we na the born place. We na enter Boyo the other day. Now we na the molest our people. Amba soldier need the molest. Now we na for night we na go wear civilian clothes. Come on, the Amba people molest our people. The Ambazonian Restoration Forces, the gallant soldiers of Ambazonia, they need to molest civilian. Now we not use the video. We na fool our people. This video so you know go fool our people. What people know. Go for Ndop, go ask them, play the video for Ndop. They go tell you, say, na La Republique. You play the video for Boyo, they go tell you, say, na La Republique. You play for Mampe, they go tell you, say, na La Republique. You play for Kumba, they go tell you, say, na La Republique. all sides. Una go fool only that una foolish French people. Only that una foolish French people. Now so them una go fool them because they no fit rise up. They no fit stand up so fight move that their thing where they call as a president. They no fit fight for move that their terrorists, that their killer where they call as a president. Una go remember Mumu, La Republic, Mumu for life. Una go remember Mumu, we are gone. If una one, that people where they say they be bus will not contribute money give we amber. Me will fight our country. We'll fight our country. We'll go then take what gallant boy and courageous soldier they will help una move down a terrorist ready for it. If una one make una get freedom, una give we freedom first. Bas, we beg una bring down una Monica give we me will take freedom first. If we take freedom, we go help una. But if una remember already, the man over sortie, come to the day, the man over sortie, the man over sortie. Say they go come up for na lie, na chop Brookport. French people chop Brookport. When Frema we come for monitor, he go shit off for bar. He caught one caster. His friend he caught music for that side. He chop bonny fish. In a small shower, they chop bonny fish. They go back for us. They go to say la vie bon. La vie bon. Na freshman that. Enough we fight. Very useless set of people. The area, they join we amber. For say me wood, they were independent. We return una for bus. Na direct, we return una for bus. People for bus. Brigadier anti-Sardina. If una one get, say me una get rise up for una own territory for La Republic. Una support we first, the amber them, una contribute money, give we amber. If una give we amber money, we fight take one territory. We the come so move down una terrorists. We fight no be fight for move pobia. We fight, no be fight for move pobia. We not get time for that one. We not look this up. Now why that way we not take the fight enter for that side. We then have for territory. We go chase the mad dogs away. Chase the mad dogs away. Send the mad dogs to hell. Send them to hell. Send them to hell. Kudos for we soldiers then. If we not know, say we want to say make people go march. We not say we be start our peace plan on the 22nd of September 2017. We be come up with peace plan. With the man, oh me again, oh me. They shoot we they kill him. We no sorry. We'll go again on the 1st of October, that same year, 2017. We'll see Amba Zonia, right? They shoot we kill him with less sense. Because we know that the Gina with terrorist regime. As that una terrorist want declare war for November, say he declare war for Amba, we'll be there pray, we'll be there prepare. Ma talk of una country talk. On a day pray. We will pray. Say we wait una. Now why way would they defend? Would they defend? What will they do? It be acceptable in the international law. It be acceptable. Now why way they know they talk say when they call we terrorists. International community they call we say restorationists. They don't be call we terrorists. They call we say restorationists. So we fight for restore our independence. We'll be get for 1st of October 1961. Una give word name the terrorists, le terrorists, the Ambazoni will be restoration forces. Will be restorationists. We go fight. Una come up for our land. Una come up for our land. If una not come up for our land, if una not pack around, we go kill una. Say Bible to say the best way to defend is to attack. So now whether we come on attack, we attack. We enter back for our safety home. We come on attack, we attack, we enter back for our safety home. Now what did that what they do? The best way to defend is to attack. So when I give we name, the terrorists, the Ambazoni terrorists, we take the name, we swallow them. When we come off the street for attack, now that time we will know whether who be who. we know who be who that time when we come up for who any man for your neck. At that time we know man who be man. Yes. Una say the civilians by men are terror. We never civilian they never start act. Now it's una go sleep inside una house them so we go come for day. If una no pack and go, una go sleep inside una house. We go come meet up una for day. They will go know whether now who get that territory. None of that will want take the territory. Yes. Una go run, una must pack and go. Una must pack and go, La Republic, pack and go. Everybody pack and go. Una pack and go. You know what una for territory. Ambazonia na will land. We know the beggar. We know beg. We know beg that country. We know beg that country. We know beg that country. Why we not the worry we? Why we not the worry we for our country? We know beg them. They be give we were independent. We not the fight with we. 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 We don't can fight for our country. We never can fight for our country. Why we not the fight for our own? Why we not fight for our own? We never cap for our own can fight. We never cap for our country. We can fight. Why we not fight for our own country? When they talk all these things, so Oga Nafa really play that video where they throw away that mommy that mommy kako. That video they vex me because that video chop na for day that mommy the chop. The thing that school fee na for day. All thing na for day. I want make all man they look that video. That video, that very bad thing will La Republic do.
Where, oh Father, Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Very wicked set of people. We are the city La Republic people so. Very wicked. Mike, the man don't see una. He running in the face. Where did that car get for do? That car for a weapon. That car go show a weapon. This car go show na weapon. Very wicked set of people. That car go gun no day. Grenade you know day. Explosive you know that my car you don't see una. He running because he knows that una be terrorist. Una go kill you. The next one way he guy you with the Okada JJ una hold you the Peter. That watch we don't know whether they are alive again. That video na Okada. Like this.
They say go back. Go back. Let me hear. But if you go outside, this way, they hear you one.
So we go do this. We go for do investigation because this man they so we not sure say he survive. He survive. We not sure. So other video they where they say come on Ikata na say I never investigate that one for play am here. That one be very nasty. When I go do finish investigation, when I go finish investigate, I go bring that video. This La Republic people are very wicked set of people. But when they do all this thing again, I go to call any activist by name. Mark Barata. We these people where we say will be activists. If we not stop these people where they say na IG, na Sako, na Sako Splinter, na Ayaba, you too Mark. Any small thing you don't go right, you write say now you the promoting nonsense. You the promote nonsense. You the promote nonsense. We no go call no group in name. Me, Don Pacho, all man knows I will me I support. I support the IG. I support IG for Sisiku. I be IG. But if me I the common as activists, we get for stop. We get for stop. Now SBC this na national TV, I talking of national TV where na IG the controller. Na SC receive this in a national TV. President Sisi in na national TV. President Sisi could say, if you know say what we do, it go take we go one step closer to Boyadua. What we me they do, I know say go take we one step. If we stop surrogacy, it go take we one step closer to Boya. If we stop them, even President Sisi, if the IG do wrong, I go talk. Some people they just the clap hand for back people. Say they be activists where una no be someone call this so-called leader them to order. Una no be call them to order. I want call I don't Mark Barata. Una stop this nonsense. Una stop them. Kudos for Eritato. Eritato they call you for name. Kudos for Eritato. It talk am the way it dey. Now so we get for the talk. The way it dey. We call them the way it dey. If we want fix the revolution, we get to call any man by name the way it dey. Set the record straight for you. Enough of this surrogacy. Who would fight for? So we fight for free Ambazonia. We fight for one free Ambazonia. But we don't turn now. Ayaba. President Sisiku. Sako. Useless people. Useless. If you dare, where you walk. Now for commercial President Sisiku, you don't know why we fight. You don't know why we fight. If you walk, na President Sisiku, na Ayaba Cho, CIC, Commander-in-Chief, Ayaba Cho, ya walk na Sako till we reach Boya. Go, no, you know if you sleep on top bed, just go find under bed, you sleep there. Go sleep under bed because you no get use. You don't know why we will fight the war. This war, I go quote Honorable Wiba. A revolution is for the people. Number one. Number two, it's for the people. Number three, it's for the people. That means say, not only for the people. Revolution are for the people. No be palava say leader. Revolution are for free the people. See these people where they suffer so. They know some group. They never for Grand Zero. They know some group. They know. You ask them say what they fight for. They'll tell we fight for freedom for Ambazonia. You ask them, they tell you we fight for freedom of Ambazonia. They don't tell you we fight for President Sako or say we fight for President Sisiku. We fight for President Ayaba. We fight for President Jomba Akru. They don't tell you that one. They fight for their freedom. Now freedom they want. Now cause they cause we for this diaspora. Tapa Ibo will not stop this nonsense. Tapa Ibo will not stop this nonsense. When I say una don't go BB book, journalists the report. When journalists the report news, the report news the support some site. You where you say you go journalism school, journalists the report news, he report some site, he support some site. Not the journalists the report news now say he report objectively. When I say when I go journalism school, but when I did the CIC Cho Ayaba, leader of the War of Independence. But that leader no kill una for day. They fight war. Una they fight na war for leader. They fight war for Ambazonia. Una fight war for leader. These people for Grand Zero, and they talk so because the feeder only pays for Grand Zero. Grand Zero people, una kudos, fighters. Ma come now for we gallant fighters. AMF, kudos for AMF. Kudos for AMF. What to be AMF? People go to ask them now. What to be AMF? Ambazonian Military Forces. Na AMF that. Ambazonian Military Forces. Na AMF, they don't talk say, may all man talk for one more. And they don't talk for one more. AMF they talk now one mob. All them they talk now for one mob. You go for Kumba, AMF day. You go for Bamenda, AMF day. You go for Baso, AMF day. You go for Boyo, AMF day. You go for Boya, AMF. Because no be some group. No be group. AMF, no be group. Now soldiers, them for ground zero. They don't get group for diaspora. Now soldiers, them for ground zero. General Kata, the general when I control 7 Kata, we all we will yes 7 Kata for Bafut, kakakak they hit. Now General Kata that, now them day for day. You hear about the liberator, now then that. You hear about General Daddy Boy them, now then that show now AMF, now them the fight correct fight, now then they do correct work, now soldiers on the ground. Where to be Ambazonian military forces where they unite. Now soldiers they for ground where they unite themselves, they put themselves together, they unite themselves together, may they come all of them for one. As they come for one, they know one make diaspora influence them again. They no one make diaspora influence them again. Now, why that way they don't get the representative for diaspora? They no one. They need to support IG. They need to support them IG. IG for President Sisiku. They need to support them IG. They need to support them AGOVC. They need to support them a splinter group for Sako. They need to support. They need to support them. No man. They say that them soldiers they for ground. They want to fight their battle. Make diaspora leave them, make they fight their battle. Because wait if it happen. Splinter group go give 200,000 francs CFA for some group. Go kill the one. Ma tell una no hear this news. Ma give una this news. General Commando we don't make a video. General Commando we don't make a video. He talk say they don't want the diaspora. Diaspora the one give money for some group, make it can't challenge them. That group don't go. They go buy small 2i gun for Nigeria. They want enter for. They want enter. Say they want enter for make camp for Momo. Commando hold the wipe out. Oh, ma the tell una. Now work this for splinter group. Commando don't say no be answerable to anybody again. Now for fight war, you don't join AMF. Now AMF, because now only them for ground. Now AMF. It then for AMF. Now them for ground. Not them. Where they for ground. So they don't say they no one make any man for diaspora. Maybe call them, say, take this 200,000, go do this for this side. Go. They no one make some man fight political fight for them. They no one fight them political fight. They want fight now freedom fight. Their fight now freedom fight. Now freedom fight. Now they call themselves freedom fighters. They fight now. They no one say make IG. Make Vice President Yerima call they say do this for me. No, they don't want that one. They know they and they. They know they and they. They don't want to make Ayabato call them say Didi. No, they know they and they. They want fight their fight. So they launch their money when if you contribute for day. No say they contribute now for fighters on the ground. When them go, they go take their money. If they want go ground one, go buy their material. Now then they go buy their material. No be some man they give them money where you go control them. No. On the feet, that is Saturday. Saturday the feet. They go the launch. Saturday the feet. They go the launch. Wait, they call and say Liberation Levy. Liberation Levy. May all man go for Southern Cameroon's International Town Hall for Saturday the 5th of September. They launch Liberation Levy. AMF, now soldiers on the ground. When I go for town hall, Una go here, they talk now, grand zero. I be bring General Presido for this very SCBC. He talk. General Presido be there for this for this program last Wednesday. He talk. Why would they launch their money? They know what man call them. Even Don Pacho called them. They threaten Don Pacho. Hey, keep quiet. Not talk. Now them want take their decision. And for me, maybe for you, not correct. But for me, now the best decision that. Because diaspora na disgrace. Diaspora na disgrace. Disgrace number one. Diaspora. Shame. Una know that way when picking be the piece for his skin for primary school, or that way you go from one for dormitory. When piece your skin, shame. Now so shame for diaspora. Shame for diaspora. Shame to all the activists. Shame to all activists. Say you be Prince Jeka, say you be Mr. Nanchop, say you be Eriko. You the activists for the Komogo 6, I call this, I call that. Fight for your freedom, Amazonians. Fight for your freedom. Grand Zero. Me una no hear nothing. Zero. Una no hear for the people where they did Wyman country. Nothing. Una take una decision. If una hold me to Grand Zero, una vote una leader, say now una leader this. Oh yeah. You call the people where they did diaspora. They go play draft, give them. They go pay their house rent, buy their better country clothes, can snap picture, show una, say they live fine. She don't chop better chop. They show una, they drink wine, show una. See una, see play una day, see na for floor una day. Na dey for video so, na floor una dey sleep. Na floor una dey sleep. If una not turn up so, fight for una freedom by una self. Like the AMF don't stand now so. If una no stand, then that means una no know what una dey do. Me, I dey support collaboration for the genuine people where they call themselves leader. Consortium. When I jump back crew. AGC. When I Dr. Chua Yaba. The interim government. For Vice President Yerima, where it represent President Sisi Kutabayo. But I get one thing for this collaboration. If this collaboration na correct one, these three people will not support for the move one community. Where certain day, we not join head together. We not move one community. We not three sign up. No be say IG go move your own community. He sign. Consortium he move your own. He sign. GovC he move his own. He sign. Then where who side we not they collaborate? Where the collaboration be? Where the collaboration is there? We not collaborate, me we see genuine collaboration. Genuine collaboration that people for Amber we want. Genuine collaboration. 100% collaboration. When GovC come out, Vice President Yerima did for Dr. Chua Yaba, he back. Anytime, no be say una dey comot contradict una self. President Sisi could go for talk, he come back. GovC come out, they talk his own. IG they talk his own. Nah, that is not collaboration. That is not collaboration. That is not collaboration. Una fix things, make we see. Make collaboration not only for una mouth. Collaboration will collaborate only for mouth. We know the see. Because GovC they do it own. IG do it own. Consortium do it own. That is not collaboration. GovC come out. Acho Ayaba is the leader of the War of Independence. IG come out, President Sisi is the leader of War of Independence. Where the collaboration is? Where the collaboration? All we know, say Mawe he dey prison. Nelson Mandela he be the prison. He be the face and the leader of the war for against apartheid for South Africa. Kwame Nkrumah he be go prison. He be the leader and the face of the war of independence for Ghana. Robert Mugabe he be go prison. He be the face and the leader of the war of independence for Zimbabwe. That time they call us Saudi Rhodesia. Now we own President Sisi Kude for prison. They want na Sako be president. Ayabacho be leader. Shame. Bibi shame. Bambazonia name. Shame. May we respect how things did happen. Sisiku is the face and the leader of the war of independence of Ambazonia. He paid the ultimate price for condemning the prison. Why would not we respect simple rules? We fight for power. Diaspora. Hey! They cost black man. They cost we so black people. Simple rules. Simple rules of the game we not follow. Tell me how some country go look we so. Some country go really look we so. He like for come for help we. This unity, fighting this man, fighting this unity. Now one name. Share. When I look this video, share. If we are there for diaspora, when they sleep for 5 beds, share. When I look at share, see the way they suffer. Like that's all. See them for Grand Zero. See play where they day. Share. See they run. See this speaking. Pause and make they look the picking face. Pause and make they see this mommy with this speaking them. Make they see this mommy with this speaking them. See this. Share. Una there for diaspora. Una they play with you. Una own picking them. Una they chop better. See you with people. See suffer. See suffer. If una know they feel the pains for this one people where they did for Grand Zero. Then una don't know why we wanna fight this war. Una don't know why we wanna fight this war. Ambazonia, rise up. Rise up. Freedom is there for our hand. Freedom is there for our hand. Now we they deny for take them. Now we they deny for take them. The freedom so is there for our hand. It's there for our hand. Chance away they suffer. Una chance away what people they suffer. How long una want make these people continue for this suffer? How long una want make these people continue for this suffer? How long? Una want make we take freedom? Una come together, make we talk for one more. Una come make we free homeland. See them. How long? Una want me what people they run every day. Since Tuesday till today. People know go market for go buy chop for Bamenda. How did they chop? Picking no go die hungry for us? Diaspora. Una stand me we fight for we freedom. Una unite me we fight for we freedom. What did it happen for una? What did it happen for una? Langa money. Drafting day, Langa money. Like the kiuna. The money, where una they take and keep them? Now for pay house rent, buy better clothes, cash it on for TV, fix skin, talk, make big speech. They say don't pass, you don't know how to talk English. I agree. Una don't talk English, una don't free homeland with English. Una don't talk good English, una don't free the homeland with English. Now English defy freedom. Hey, no for talk English. Hey, no go school. You where you get doctorate, you don't free Ambazonia. You where you get doctorate, mouth ya pocket say I be Dr. Chako, I be Dr. Joe Ayaba, I be Dr. this. You don't free homeland. That boy, the way they fight for that day, so some doctor are there for inside there. If you be freedom fighter, carry a gun, go. Not remain for that for that. My soldiers did this. Now you born some my pikime go say my soldier did this, my soldier did that. Now you born them. When they die, so now you take care for their picking them. Say my soldier, my boys. Call you the cause of BB Papa for 30 years, BB Papa for 40 years, my boys. And when I open them up, that boy they don't tell me some talk. And I supported their talk. Say the passion when they don't make that noise for one man country, no. When independence will come, freedom will come. We get list. When they call your name, don't passion no come for Grazero, don't passion will fight place, you know. Na list that boy they go call them. Na list Grazero go call. So no she don't hear my boys. I'm the president. I'm this. They go call list. Are you sure your name will be on that list? When I say that boy they fight for that day they be fool. They not foolish oh. Tell me what they are not sure. Say my name go there for the list. Are you sure your own go there? You sure? Do the right thing. May your name add for list. Do the right thing. May your name add for list. If they call your name, say you no go pass. You go remain refugee for white man country. You go remain foreigner for white man in land. You go remain foreigner for white man in land. I know I talk go plenty. I get program next Monday with SCBC. SCBC don't organize strong program for all we. Next Monday, we go do proper analysis. I dey work on my videos. Proper analysis. This one not just because this thing dey happen for Bamenda and we say we must can't trash them. We say we must can't trash them. Now why that way I come up today this evening for say we trash this matter where they happen for Bamenda. And before I end, La Republique, as we don't talk say people for Bamenda no go sleep. Una no go sleep. Una no go sleep. As una say people for Bamenda no go sleep. Una no go sleep. We go to suppress una. We go hot now so boy they dey for setting camp. They dey for settlement. They dey monitor. When the molest was civilian, they were boy they dey monitor. They dey look una. At una Lord says again, we go hit una again. We go hit. Not be only Bamenda. More than the word Bamenda. In the days ahead, we go just here again, so other place go hit. Bang! We go to hit una. We don't master the game. They say experience is the best teacher. We don't experience them now for 3 straight years. So we don't learn. Experience is the best teacher. We go to hit una. Bang! As una did not the word Bamenda, people would look una. Would strategize. We go take una again. Bang! So another town. Una go lost say we take una again. Bang! Yes. When military, we get strategy. Military don't take over Bamenda. When military go fully take all over Amba, that time international community go talk. Say that military rule Amba. We get strategy. Governor for northern zone, when they call and say no west, it don't run. That way call say Lele Afrique, it don't run. Oh, they don't run. Government delegate, that's way he call and say city mayor, it don't run. Offices, lock. Government offices, lock. Kudos to Amba. Kudos to the restoration forces. Kudos to Ambazonia. We say we are rising to fall no more. For people where they don't go find chair, they put their skin, they shit on, get it bam. The balance say we there for table. We the wait la Republic. Muna just sit down for that table. The wait una here. Muna just balance una skin. Take bam. Muna sit down for there the wait. We go fight free una. Muna just balance gallant. Una gallant una skin for there. We are on the Swiss table. We are waiting. La Republic come to the table. Una just the wait for there. Una don't collect money for draft. Muna pay Muna take and go pay hotel for Switzerland. Muna go pay hotel them for Switzerland. She don't for day. Gallant una skin for day. They take them. Then the wait. The real freedom fighter them will the fight. We no play all day. We do the right thing. When we go finish, then we go give una free entry to Amber. As we want give una that free entry, we go account for any money we don't chop am. We go account for all that money them we don't chop am. Which people go. We don't go gallant for some place. We are waiting. See La Republic come to the table. Switzerland, that people for 80. As soon as the fool people, we know who will go home and tell the country. We know who will go home now. The earlier when I come out deny support, we don't deny for come for negotiation table. The better. When I tell what people say, they go fight their freedom by themselves. When I go tell that, enable them. Ambazonians, our freedom is there for our hand. At the one end for tell we say any man where he know say he fight for freedom. Now the time for you to go buy your bonds. Go for www.ambabondholders.com. You buy your bonds. As you buy your bonds, you are support with refugee them, we internally displaced. When they talk internally displaced, man way there for La Republic. Na refugee. No be our country, no be internally displaced. If you there for from Bunda, go up. From Bunda, go up. You be refugee. You know be internally displaced. People who they call internally displaced are people where they don't come on for Boyo. They come for Bamenda. People where they don't run left for Ikliwinji. They enter for Boya. People where they don't run left for Ndop. They enter Bamenda. Now one and that what they call I say internally displaced. If you there for La Republic, you be refugee. No be our country. You are a refugee. Atangan jipo them so the refugee them. Go buy your bonds. If you know what where the bonds money, the small one don't jam. If you know what way don't do. Una go buy and so take tire. Buy your bonds. www.ambabondholders.com. Go for day. Buy your bonds. Bonds now €1, $1, €1, $1, £1. If you buy and so you reach 250, we go give you that certificate. The way you say, they reply now so the flag. They will give you certificate, bond certificate. They will give you bond certificate. Bonds, you buy €1, $1, £1, you feel register. You pay for €5, €2 till it reach 250 before they will call and say one bond. Buy your bonds. All the money in a Grand Zero. People when they fight for Grand Zero, they know who's away. They take money. Una chise na una discipline the bomb so una chise na wait to do am. Na Amber bonds. Una contribute na money for the explosive. Then the Allah we talk at direct any explosive na Amber bond. Na ya boom na Amber bonds. Now you the other action for ground. Buy your bonds. If you know say you want see action, buy your bonds. People when they draft, they don't do nothing. Now when I see action for people for that, they don't claim nothing. We reclaim action them because we give money. We reclaim action because we give money. Yes. People for draft, they don't claim because they don't draft. They don't play. When I'm not saying, oh, Papa, they play draft. No man way chop. He put the money for a pocket. They give their own. So they don't play draft for una. People when they play draft, they don't chop. Man when they don't chop for draft, he don't take money put for your pocket. You know go give you now. Buy your bonds, you go see action. Buy your bonds. AmberBondHolders.com. www.amberbondholders.com. Buy your bonds. www.amberbondholders.com. Buy your bonds. People where they want say may we go support with internally displaced and refugees there for Nigeria and the one there for La Republic. Go for www.darkcommunity.com. www.darkcommunity.com. Go give money for them. Make they support refugees there when they for La Republic. Internally displaced for Bamenda, Boya, Kumba, Limbe, Manfe. They support internally displaced refugees there for Nigeria and La Republic. Go for www.darkcommunity.com. Go put your money for them. You go see them, they go give them for refugees. Then Liberation Levy. They launch Liberation Levy on the 5th. On the 5th. On the 5th of this month of September. That is Saturday. Saturday, 4 p.m. Amber time. All man for International Town Hall. Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. The Liberation Levy by the Restoration Forces where they did for Grassero, AMF. They said they be Ambazonian military forces. Ambazonian military forces. They go launch them. When they go launch them, anytime I come live, I go record their own platform. Because I want to make action. La Republic for the few weeks. Every minute. The territory must be hot. Every minute. So, on the 5th, all man go for Southern Cameroon International Town Hall for 4 p.m. Amber time. The AMF Restoration Forces, Ambazonian military forces, they launch liberation funds. Liberation funds. Any man must buy a liberation. You pay a liberation levy. Pay a liberation levy. If you want freedom, if you want to liberate yourself, go pay a liberation levy. If you want to liberate yourself, go pay a liberation levy. Now what that we want? Now what that we want? The territory must be ungovernable. The territory must be ungovernable. Again, amber bonds. Amber bonds. That day where we will see freedom. Amber bonds. We get defense bonds. Man, we want to support defense. When you enter for the website for www.amberbondholder, you will see defense. Put your money for defense. Put your money. You want to make Grazero the hot. Put your money for defense. Put your money for defense. If you want to make diplomacy, the work of fine. Put your money for diplomacy. If you want a support a humanitarian, we people the way they don't get chop for Nigeria, internally displaced, and they want the refugee the way they do for La Republic, buy them. Buy your bonds. Buy your bonds. Buy your bonds. Buy your bonds. My fellow countrymen, fellow Ambazonians, we don't come to the end of this program. I know say we will be wait for take mag open lines for calls. Make we no worry. For Monday, we go open lines for calls. We go call. Any man go call. The program for Monday, it go be na underbelly. You call, you talk your underbelly. We no worry. Today, we no go open lines because we want just analyze now this issue for Northern Zone for Bamenda. For Monday, we analyze that the whole revolution, and then we go open lines. We will say any man call talk your underbelly. Call talk your underbelly. As you call, you talk your underbelly. Thank you na plenty. Grazero, we thank you na for the and no more sacrifices. One of the sacrifice for we. Restoration Forces, kudos, and thank you na plenty for the great sacrifices. And for diaspora, again, I no go thank you na go talk na shame for na. Shame, and then thank diaspora. Now shame I give for diaspora. Again, I call myself the fearless, brutal rebel Don Pasho. I don't come today for talk with Una. Make Una stay blessed as we meet again next Monday. Ciao.
marching down the street with branches of trees, expressing our grievances. Everybody knows that green is for peace, calling our government to address our needs. Before we know it, them French soldiers come. They try to stop us, they shoot us with guns. My brother and Betty fell on the ground. The soldiers came on him, I heard him shouting, let's stand for a right. Don't give up the fight. Your children unite and stand for your right. Let's stand for a right. Don't give up the fight. Your children unite and stand for your right. You're teaching me in French, but I'm an Englishman. Judging me in French, but I'm an Englishman. You can't speak English, I can't speak French. Yet you are leader on an English land. I don't know what the government is thinking about, but half of the story has never been told. You know education is better than gold. Before they killed him, I heard him say, let's stand for our right. Don't give up the fight. Your children unite and stand for your right. Let's stand for our right. Don't give up the fight. Your children unite, oh, and stand for your right.
Good day, fellow Ambazonians. This is Silas Atifu, Ambazonian activist. Today I'm here on behalf of the Ambazonian Military Forces, the AMF, to announce to you the grand launching of the Ambazonian Liberation Levy. I've been commissioned by the Ambazonian Military Force High Command to invite you all to this Saturday, 5th of September's launching of the Ambazonian Liberation Levy. This will take on the Southern Cameroonians International Town Hall platform, and we encourage every Ambazonian activist platform to broadcast this event to the general Ambazonian people. The Ambazonian War of Independence is ongoing, and our Independence Day is fast approaching. The goal of the Ambazonian military forces and the Ambazonian and the wish of the Ambazonian people is to not continue to celebrate this day online. Back in the days, our parents celebrated these days in the bushes. Today, we have been constantly celebrating online, and our forces have been openly celebrating on the ground. Kudos to all ground zero fighters defending homeland. So we are inviting the general Ambazonian public and believers of justice of the Ambazonian struggle movement to join us this Saturday on the Southern Cameroons International Town Hall to pledge your support to justice and to the liberation of people in captivity for over 60 years. Ambazonian military forces are committed to defending the Southern Cameroons, Ambazonia, from the terror of the Cameroons military, which has been occupying this territory for the past 58 years now. And the Ambazonian military forces have been resisting Cameroon's military now for the past 4 years, alongside other sister forces. So join us this Saturday to commit to this revolution through the Ambazonian Liberation Levy. The Ambazonian military forces are also very involved in the healthcare of our self-defense volunteers. And we invite you all humanitarian lovers to partner with the AMF to get insight into the interior where humanitarian activities are greatly needed but access is restricted. So Ambazonian military force through the healthcare department will be facilitating the incursion of humanitarian partners into areas where humanitarian assistance can be done. So please join us from every part of the globe, every work of life. We invite you to join us this Saturday, 5th of September at exactly 7 p.m. Ambazonian time or 2 p.m. Eastern. here in the United States. So thank you all, and we hope to see you there. God bless you.
Descendants of King Selassie I, the spirit of Jah has lifted me high. Me stronger than the lion in a jungle, no be like. So much blessings from above like rains from the sky. Yeah, I'm learning all the great things of King Shaka Zulu. I want to go and visit Timbuktu. Today I want to fly across Kilimanjaro, all because I am feeling very high. So
country people for Ground Zero, this one again, Silas Ate for Ambazonian activists for New York. This small message and invitation from the AMF, the Ambazonian Military Forces, the way they defend our homeland for the past 2 years now as an organization, but when I fight the way they don't be for ground since they struggle, it start. So this Saturday for 7 p.m. Amber time, the AMF invite all Ambazonians and Southern Cameroonians for the Southern Cameroonians International Town Hall, where they will launch the Ambazonian Liberation Levy, where not simply commitment for everybody we believe for freedom, for commit themselves into the freedom. That means make donations for make every effort them for the AMF and all the forces them on the ground, make it count, make the gateway to where they need them to defend our homeland. We don't say activities them, the activities of the enemy them, it don't be stepped up on the ground. And at time this way would lead to our Independence Day celebrations. For make sure make we meet the enemy, resist this enemy the strongest way possible, way we fit. So we invite everybody again for join the Ambazonian Military Forces this Saturday for the Southern Cameroonian International Town Hall. We're at the platform where all Ambazonians for all walks of life, they don't meet up for the discourse. They like the Karifu where Ambazonians they gather talk. One time the people for Southern Cameroonian International Town Hall again for offering we this platform, the people for AMF we can talk with way AMF they do. And I thank the AMF people in two way they grant some of we for diaspora here the opportunity for talk on their behalf. Plenty in the way we will talk and for you will know the soldiers they will there for that town hall themselves to talk with way it happen. They will do presentations for which way the Ambazonian military forces that they be all about by themselves, the soldier them for ground. So we will know how they operate and how we participate. So make una come all this Saturday for exactly 7 p.m. Amber time over 2 p.m. for time for this eastern side for New York or America here. God bless una. See you again for the Southern Cameroonian International Town Hall this Saturday.
When the fire burns on every household, let's stand for a ride. Don't give up the fight. That children unite.